Alright guys, today's the day. I am heading out and I am going to get my brows done. Hey guys, I'm super excited. Today I'm getting my brows done. Right now this is how I currently do my brows. I love the shape and everything, so let's see how today's microblading and ombre brow appointment turns out. I am so excited and I can't wait to share this experience with you guys. Beautiful day. This is my location spot. So when you walk in, there's a directory. I found her name. It was my first time here and it was super easy to find. Here we are, Miss Michelle, Brow Anatomy. You can see her in there. Hey girl, here's Miss Michelle.
Hi, I'm Michelle, owner of Brow Anatomy. This is my studio.
So you really want to make sure that your artist is certified, so make sure you check for these plaques. I love Michelle's studio, it's super cute. So this is what my previous brows look like, and we're gonna get started. Alright guys, here I am after my brow procedure with Miss Michelle, and I am loving my brows. And here is my aftercare that Michelle gave me. I had a lot of great stuff to use for the several weeks. Please make sure you do get brow mapped by your artist. So I just wanted to hop on here and give you guys an update on my brow procedure by Miss Michelle Nguyen of Brow Anatomy. And they are starting to get a little thick and kind of harden and scab over. And I am really loving the shape. I can tell you guys right now the shape is exactly what I wanted. I will be going back for the microblading, but this is how they look currently. Hey everyone, so it has been a week since I had my brow procedure. You can see the shape is coming through nicely. It is starting to peel and scab, which you could see in here. It was worse at day about 6. It was very kind of rock-like looking, very scabby looking. So they look much better now. It's been a week, a little tiny bit over a week since I got them done. So I am absolutely loving them. And I had previous work done, so the ends were extended a little too far with my previous work that I had done about 5 years ago. And then, like I told you guys before, I'm gonna get some feathered hair strokes, which is the microblading in the front. Here is a close-up. You can kind of see how everything is scabbing and looking a little crazy. Do not freak out, do not panic, and do not pick your scabs. This is normal. Hey everyone, I'm back. So it's been exactly 3 weeks since I've had my brow procedure done. I'm gonna zoom in here in a minute, but I wanted to kind of show you guys at a distance. Please excuse my wild hair. I just got out of the shower. Now this baby head is just not wanting to stay down. Anyways, so I want to kind of show you guys at a distance what my brows are looking like. It has been 3 weeks exactly today, and I am loving the shape. Pretty much all the scabbing has come off. I schedule a touch-up appointment for next week. Hey everyone, I am back. I am so excited to show you guys my final brow look. I went in for my second procedure with Michelle, and I got the feathered hair strokes added in the front, which is the microblading, and then a little tiny bit more definition added in the arch. So this is the final healing brow, or healed brow. And I'm super excited and happy with how they turned out. So I have no product in them whatsoever, and I feel like they look very natural. They complement my face, they complement my features. I have the option of going a little darker with powder or a pencil if I want to, which I do every once in a while, but it takes me like no time to do my brows now, and that is what I was trying to achieve. I have brow hair. It's just very thin. I don't have thick bushy brows, which can be a blessing or it can be a cursing. But anyways, now I have the perfect brows for my face and I'm so happy with the final result. I hope you guys like it. This is a combination of microblading and ombre brows, which is more of a semi-permanent tattoo brow. And I love it. It's gonna last longer. But I want to stress to you guys, please do your research. Look at photos, go for a consultation, make sure that that person is certified, make sure that you like them too. You know, it's very, very important. You want to make sure that you have great communication. It's so important that they brow map you, that they measure out your brows, which Michelle did. And I had previous work done before and it was not like that. So I highly, highly recommend Michelle, and I recommend doing your research and making sure that you find the right artist for you. Michelle was the right artist for me. I loved her work. I recommend her to my friends, my family, my clients. So yeah, I am super excited and I'm really excited to share this with you guys. If any of you have been curious about microblading, about permanent makeup brows and everything like that, ombre brows, I love it. I feel like the pain on a scale from 1 to 10 was maybe a 3 or 4. I had more throbbing after the procedure than anything, and I had to take a little bit of Tylenol, which I never have to do, but it was just less than a day. No problems whatsoever. The healing process is, you know, it takes like a week or 2 to finally get the scabs off and have them starting to look a little more normal. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My overall experience was amazing, and again, I'm so happy with the final look and I feel like it's perfect for what I was going for. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I cannot wait to share more experience with you guys and more things that I kind of try out along the way. So thank you so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful rest of the week and I love you all very much. Have a great day. Bye.